Now paper number 48, Ssc Cgl Tier 1. Now in this question number 1, and pigeon and peas. Now how are these two related to each other? Now this pigeon stands for what? Peace. And similarly, white flag stands for what? Surrender. That is choice 3, question number 1. Then coming to question number 2, and letter series N and K, difference is how much? Minus 3. K and H minus 3. H minus 3, E minus 3. E minus 3, 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. First letter is B. And first letter is B. Then what is the next one we have? 19 is common in these two. No need to check out this number. V and T minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. P minus 2 is N. B 19 and choice 1, question number 2. Then coming to question number 3. And cataract is related to ophthalmology. Now these two are, now cataract is what? And it is related to ophthalmology, that is eye disease. And similarly neurosis is related to what? And psychology. Choice 3, question number 3. And fourth one, we need to arrange all these words in a dictionary order. Now in the dictionary order, tell me which comes first here. Now first time was in Japanese, M-A-R, now M-A-R-E. M-A-R-E comes first 4. And after this 4, M-A-R-I. M-A-R, that is 5 comes next, 4, 5. And next to 4, 5, my next time was in Japanese, M-A-R, M-A-R-M. Isn't it? M-A-R-I, 3, 4, 5, 3. Now 4, 5, 3. What is 4, 5, 3 here? And 4, 5, 3. Now between 1 and 2, which comes here? 1 comes first. Then choice 2, question number 3. Question number 4, choice 2. Fifth one. Now 13 and 78. 13 into how much is 78 into 6? And next one plus 5. Next one into 4. 83 into 4. And 332. Choice 2, question number 5. Then sixth one. Now 4 words are same, that means odd one out. Now tell me what is odd one out here? Now except choice 1. The remaining 3 occurs because of virus. Isn't it? But this is what? This is a mental disease. Then sixth one, choice 1. Seventh. Now seventh one, Jesara? No. Select the option in which the numbers are related in the same way. Now 29 and 40. Now 29 and 40, 2 plus 9 is how much? 11. Now 29 plus 11 is 40. Sum of the digits in the number is added to the number. And similarly here 4 plus 0 is how much? 4. Now 40 plus 4 is how much? 44. And sum of the digits in this number is added to this number. Again the sum of the digits in this is added to the next number. And in the same way, now 2 plus, 2, if 2 is added, 22 must be the number. And next one, and 5 plus 2, 7. 52 plus 7, 59. 9 plus 5, 14. And 59 plus 14, 73, choice 2. Done? And next one coming to question number 8. Now in this question number 8, J-U-M-R-O. Then what is the relation we have? J and U. J and U, the difference is how much? 11. L and S difference is how much? 12 and 19, 7. Now 16 and 25. Now 16 and 6 and 25, the difference is how much? 19. R and M. R and M, the difference is minus. Now do you have any logic in this one? Now difference between the letters is not following here. Then J, M, O. J to M plus 3 plus 2. And O plus 3 R plus 3 U. J plus 3 plus 2 again, and plus 3 and plus 3. And in the same way, L and O plus 3, O and R plus 3, and R and P plus 2, and P and S plus 3. Then next one. And what is the relation we have? F and S. F and I plus 3, I and L plus 3. And next one, V plus 5, and V plus 3. And here, J to M plus 3 plus 2. R and U plus 3. Here L and O plus 3 plus 3. P and S plus 3. And here F and I plus 3 plus 3. V and Y plus 3. R and U plus 3 plus 3. J and M plus 3. Then what is your answer here? Choice 1. Why did choice 1? Here between M and O it is only plus 2. Clear? Alternate letters. 3, 3, 3 is the difference. So choice 1, question number 8. Now if you are not getting the answer with this one as well, then you need to divide this one according to vowels and consonants. How many vowels are there? How many consonants are there? Now still it is having unique. Then exchange చేస్తారు. Then first half and second half. And this is how you need to look into these type of questions. Then next coming to question number 9. My ninth one చెప్పండి, A stands for what? Minus. And B stands for what? Division. And C stands for what? Into. And D stands for what? Plus. Now 395 divided by 79. I mean, ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? 5. Plus 89 into 4. 90 into 4, 360 minus 4, 356. Minus 235. Then tell me what is the answer here? And 361 minus 255, the last digit must be 1. Among the given choice, it is choice 4. Must it be no? And 11 minus 5, 6 రావాలి కదా, 6. Last digit is 6, that is a choice. Then next one, 10th one. Now in this question number 10, the letter that is opposite to you. My U కి opposite అడిగాడు. My U కి opposite ఏముంది చెప్పండి? Now here if you observe here, between these two, what is the letter that is common? A, E is common. Now here E is common. E కి opposite ఒకసారి చూడండి. What are the letters we have? A, I, O, 9 and next U and E. ఇంతే కదా 6 elements, out of which first one. And E is adjacent to A and I, hence A and I cannot be opposite to E. And again, E is adjacent to O and 9, they cannot be opposite to E. And E cannot be opposite to E. Then what is left over here? E and U are opposite, that is U's opposite is E. Sarvena? No, remaining 4 are adjacent, one will be opposite. The next one, 11th one. Now in this question number 11, 144 and which two we need to interchange? 49 and 4. And 49 and 4, my interchange చేస్తే మనకు వస్తుంది ఆన్సర్ మరి. Now 49 and 4 if you observe here, మా ఇక్కడికి 4 వస్తుంది, అవునా కదా? And ఇక్కడ 49. Now if you take 49 here, then 63 divided by 9, 7. 7 into 44, it is a huge number, అవునా కదా? Hence it cannot be an answer. Then coming to choice 2, 49 and 63. Now this is 63 and this is 49. 49 divided by 9 is not possible, that is ruled out. Then choice 3, 63 and 144. Now this is 63 and this is 144. 144 divided by 9. అవుతుందా లేదా? Yes. What is the value we have? And 16. Then next one, 16 into 4 is sum 64. Now minus 64 plus 63 minus. And 49 minus 1, 48. Choice 3, question number 11. Then next one, 12th one. Now Raksha travels 12 kilometers north. Now this is the starting point. From here she walks 12 kilometers north. Then turns left. She travels 8 kilometers. Left hand side travels 8 kilometers. And turns right and covers 7 kilometers. And 7. She finally turns right and covers and travels another 8 kilometers. From here, another 8 kilometers right hand side. How far is she from the starting point from the sun? A is the starting point, B is the final. A is the starting point and B is the final. Now 12 plus 7 is how much? 19. Now total distance is how much? 19 kilometers. That is choice 4, question number 12. Then coming to 13. Now in a certain code language, the word computer. Compute is coded as 120. May allow చెప్పండి. Now if you take the place value of C, and C is how much? 3. And O value ఎంత చెప్పండి? And 15. Now 15. Now if you take 15 here, 3 plus 15, M is 13, U, P is 16, U is 21, T is 20, E is 5, R is 18. Then in this one, if you add all this, 3 plus 15, 18 plus 13, 31 plus 16, 40, and 47 plus 21, 68, and 88. 88 plus 5, 93 plus 18, 93 plus 18. Answer వస్తుందా మనకి? No, it is only 111 plus 9. Plus 9 లేదు, ఇక్కడ only 8 letters, isn't it? Hence it is not following that one. Then now if you take vowel, vowel కి ఏం తీసుకోవాలి చెప్పండి? Opposite. Now opposite letter, what is opposite letter here? 12. And next one, P, U. U కి 21 plus 10 రావాలి 6. Then for this one E, it is 22. Then if you add this one, 3 plus 12, 15. 15 plus 13, 28 plus 16. 28 plus 16, 44. 44 plus 6, 50. And 50 plus 20, 70. 70 plus how much? And సరిపోతుందా? And 90 plus 70 plus 20, 90. 90 plus now 40. And the total value is 120. Now value సరిపోయిందా లేదా? Addition. Now 3 plus 12, 15 plus 13, 18. 18 plus 16 is so much? 34 plus 6, 40, 40 plus 20, and 60, and 60 plus, now 18 plus 22. Are you getting here? And 110. And 110 plus, how much is added? 10 is added. Clear? And in the same way, I'm a feedback student. And if F value 6, and this is 22, 22, D is 4, B is 1, 26, 3 and 11. Then 22 plus 22, 44 plus 6, 50. And 50 plus 20, 70. And 70 plus 5, 75. 75 plus 11, 86. 86 plus how much? And 86 plus, then how much to be added here? Plus 96 వస్తుందా ఇది? Now 50. Now 50 plus 30, 80. And 80 plus 5. 85 plus 11, 96. 96 plus how much? 10. 106 choice 4. Now సరిపోతుందా? Sum of this one, place values. For vowels, their opposite pairs. Place value plus a constant number 10 is added to this value. And then 14th one. Now question number 14, we need to find out the total number of triangles. My innocent chesara leda. Now this is 1, this is 2. And the total is so much, this is 3. Now in the top we have how many? Only 3. Then next one, 3 here. Menken unnaya? Idi okati, rendu peddadoti. Idi avadu kada, idi 4-sided figure. Complete triangle kada, third triangle. Third triangle ekkadi nunchi vachindi? Complete. Idi 1, idi 2. Now this complete one is 3. Clear? Hence in the top we have how many? 3. Ikkada enni unnai? Now this is 1 and this is the second. How many we have? 2. And ikkada enni unnai? 1, 2, 2. And 2 plus 2, 4. And 3 plus 4, 7. Saripinda? 7. And next one, this is so much, this is 8. Now this is 9. And this is 10. Isn't it? Plus 3. And again, now here again, 1 and this is 2. And the next one is so much. No, then indulo. Now this is 1. Now this is 2. And this is the third one. Clear? And 7 plus 3 plus 3, total 13. 13 choice 3. మా ఫిగర్ కంబైన్ చేస్తే మనకి ఎక్కడ మనకి ట్రయాంగిల్ అయితే రావట్లేదు, 4-sided figure. And 13 choice 3. Then 15th one. Now in this question number 15, how many elements are there? 3, 4, 5, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a divide cheyacham. And 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because A is the first letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now A is the first letter, A, D, C. Now A, D, C, M. A, D, C, M, B. Now A, D, C, M. A, D, C, M. Saripinda? A, D, C, M, B, A, D, C, M, B, A, D, C, M, B. Then tell me what is left over here? DC, DCB, and DCB, so and choice one. Saripinda? A, D, C, M, B. Now A, D, C, M, B. Then next coming to question number 16. Now in this 16, 5 persons are seated around a pentagon. Now 5 persons are seated around a pentagonal table, and in this, and facing the center, E is to the immediate left of C. Now E is to the immediate left of C, C is here, E is to the immediate left of C, and C who is second to the right of A. Now C is seated second to the right of A. B is to the immediate left of D. No, B is to the immediate left of D. Then who is sitting exact right to A? A ki immediate right of Japan E. Now E, that is choice for question number 16. Then 17th one, EVO, EVO, DUJPO. DUJPO. Now the code for this one, HRX, FK. HRX, F, JPO. JPN. Now here in this one, EVO, DU, JPO. Now to this JPO, HR, HRX, and FKMHT. 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 Tell me what is the logic behind this one. My just no Japanese. Now here in this one, the word is divided into 2 equal halves. Then they were divided here, and D and E. D plus 4H, O plus 3R, and V plus 2, and plus 1. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 in the reverse. And here again, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 in the reverse. And in the same way, then what is the code for? What is the code for OPWF? OPWF NCFS. NCFS. Then in this. Then first one plus 1. O plus 1 is P. And P plus 2 is R. W plus 3 is Z. And plus 4 is J. J, Z, R, P. And again minus 1. N minus 1 is what? M. C minus 2 is A. F minus 3 is C. And S minus 4, that is O. Hence OC and AM. What is your answer here? Choice 2, question number 17. The next one, 18th one. Now some girls are educated. Now these are the girls who are educated. And educated girls prefer small families. Now educated girls prefer means which educated girls we are talking about? Some are, all or no? Ma ekkada ichadu someone ikkada em ichada? Some educated girls prefer small families and no educated and తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా మరి ఏం తీసుకోవాలి ఇక్కడ now the quantifier is not given. What do you mean by this quantifier? Now this quantifier is nothing but మా quantifier అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏం చెప్పండి quantifier. Now quantifier determines how much a part of the subject related to the predicate. Now ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్లో మనకి some girls are educated and this is the subject, girls is the subject, educated is predicate. How many girls are educated? That is determined by the first word. That's what we call it as quantifier. Quantifier determines how much part of subject related to the predicate. Hence in this one, what are the quantifiers you have in general? All, some, no, isn't it? Some not, isn't it? Some not, only, and only a few. Now these are the quantifiers we have as of now, isn't it? Out of which here the quantifier is not given. And if the quantifier is not given, then tell me we need to take as which one? దేనిలో తీసుకోవాలి చెప్పండి మా క్వాంటిఫైర్ ఇవ్వకపోతే సమ్ తీసుకోవాలా ఆల్ తీసుకోవాలా నో తీసుకోవాలా ఏదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు పర్వాలేదు మరి చెప్పండి నో ష్యూర్ నో you should, and now fans are working. Now my statement is that fans are working. Fans are working means which fan I am talking about? All fans are working. That means, and if the quantifier is not given, you should always take it as all only. Then, a quantifier is not given, then you need to consider it as all. Hence, educated girls prefer means all these educated girls prefer small families. Then first one, all small families are educated and చెప్పలేం. All educated are small families, but where is the vice versa is not true. Some girls prefer small families. చెప్పొచ్చా లేదా? Now these are the girls who are preferring small families, and so only two. That is choice 1, question number 18. Follow here. Then 19th one. ఇక్కడ ఈరోజు ఒక కొత్త పాయింట్ నేర్చుకున్నాం ఏంటది? And if the quantifier is not given, then you need to consider it as all. The next one, 19th one. Now in this question number 19, now logical and meaningful order. Now tell me what is the meaningful order here? Once the notification has been issued, then next change చేస్తా notification వచ్చిన తర్వాత then you need to take a registration. Then once the registration has been done, then you need to attend for an webinar. And once in that one, then you need to take the feedback, and finally you need to and submit that e-certificate. Hence it comes under the procedure of this joining, admission. And so what is your answer? Choice 4, 19th one. The next one, 20th, figure folding and figure cutting, paper folding and paper cutting. Now in this paper folding and paper cutting, now from here to here it has to open. Now open అవ్వాలంటే ఎలా ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? This will be circle, isn't it? Now the center one is again circle, and this is square, and this is square. Now ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి ఏమవ్వాలి చెప్పండి? Mirror image. Mirror image అంటే should be and replicated. Hence the 4 sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 అయితే ఇలా ఉండాలి అవునా కదా? Then at the same time how many circles should it have? 8. 8 circles ఎలా ఉండాలి? 4 at the center and 4 at the corners. Isn't 4 at the centers, 4 at the corners, in which one? No choice 3. మరి సరిపోయిందా లేదా? No choice. Now check out 1 and 3, are they similar or not? No, they are not, because ఇక్కడ centersలో వస్తున్నాయి. Now they must be along the diagonals. Clear? And choice 3. And next one, 21st. Now in this question number 21, what does the code JY stands for? అమ్మ JV ఎక్కడుంది ఇందులో? Now JV is here, JV is here. Now it is common between the first and the last. As it is common between the first and the third, then tell me what is the word that is common. Great use of laptop. Use your cap now. Use is the only word that is common, and the code for use is JV. JV, that is use choice to question number 21. Then 22nd. Now in this question number 22, there are some 7 stars A through Z and in a galaxy together in a row, but not necessarily. And D is not at any ends of the row. How many are there? 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And D is not at any. Which star is second from the right of Z? Now we need to find out the star that is second to the right hand side of Z. Then, and D is not at any ends of the row. Now D is not at any ends of the row. D cannot be here, D cannot be here. Then F is to the immediate right of star D. F is to the immediate right of D. F and D are adjacent to each other. And G is third from the left hand. Now G is third from the left hand, and C is at the left hand. Now C is at this place. C is at the left hand, and A is second from the right. A is second from the right. D and F must be together. As D and F must be together, D is here, F is here. Then which is second to the right of G? F. F, that is given in choice 3, question number 22. Then 23rd. Now we need to find out the mirror image to this one. Now tell me what is the mirror image we have. Now this T, which is from the left hand side, now it must be at the right hand side. Now T at the right hand side, these two were ruled out. Anagam. Then as these two are ruled out, now we have left with only 2 choices. Now 2 choices unte manaki em cheyali? Then start comparing between the elements. Now T is same, G is same, 3 is same, C, now J. Amma ikkada manaki 4th element from the left hand side em ravali? 7 ravali. And ikkada J ochindi. Hence what is your answer here? Choice 2 is the answer. Then now this is about 23. Then 24th one. As 24, tell me how many of you had on this one. And 64 and 59. Majesara, 64 plus 59, what is your answer here? And 64 plus 59. And now 98. 98 into 2, 196. And 96 into 96 into 2. 78 into 2. 88 into 2. 88. Hence, what is your answer? Choice 1. Now, first number into 2. And those in the 128. 128 when written in the reverse order. Now, 38 into 2. 76 written in the reverse order. And in the same way. Now, here 98. 98 into 2. 196. Written in the reverse order. Choice. Now, in the remaining choices are not apt to this one. Then, my next one. Now, this is one way of doing this one. The other way is, now what is the number here? 64 plus 59 and 123. Isn't it 123? And next one, the difference between these two is so much of 5. And 123 plus 5 is so much of 128. Now 128 when written in the reverse order, this is the number. And again, 38 plus 29. 38 plus 29 and 67. And the difference between 38 and 29. My difference 9. Now 67 plus 9. How much is that? 76. When 76 written in the reverse order, 67. Sarvendra? Because we need to use all the 3 numbers given, but not only the first 2 numbers. Lucky certain type, and if there is another choice like reverse, double reverse, then you will stuck down. Isn't it? Then my next one, then what is your answer here? 98. 98 plus 56 is so much? 154. And the difference between 98 and 56 is so much? My difference. Now it went 2 and 42. Now the sum of these two is so much? 196. 196 in the reverse order, that is choice 124. Then finally 25. Now we need to find out the embedded figure. Now embedded figure into this. Japan embedded figure and select the figure that is embedded. As my economy start just now. Now here in this, my first one was and first one. From where we can able to start the first one? My first one economy start cheyadi. And at the same time, this is the line you are having. Economy start cheyadama. Now this is the line you are having. Then now middle line manaki ekkada vastundhi cheppandi. Middle line is here. Now this is the line. and these are the lines. సరిపోతుందా లేదా? Hence what is your answer? Choice 1, question number 25. Clear?